shit was hard. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Btw I, man, and I'm back with another video. And for today's video, we got a box, right? We got the LaMelo 2 Slime Nickelodeon edition. I just got them off Goats. We got Spiky here. Spiky joining us, bro. Spiky, you in the unboxing video? You want to be in the cam, bro. You like being in the cam, bro. We got the box right here. I will be unboxing this, showing y'all, giving y'all my honest review on it. I haven't even opened it yet. As y'all can see, it still got the whole tape on it. I can't wait to see what these look like. I haven't even seen them for myself. So before we continue with this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let's open these Johns up, man. Alright, y'all. I got in my position to open the box. Y'all can't see my face, but y'all can see the box in my hands. That's all y'all will need to see. Y'all do not have to see my face. Y'all, we're gonna go ahead and open it with the scissors my boys gave me. You know what I'm saying? Let's get in this one. You guys can see, right? Yeah. Oh shit. Box is actually small. That's one thing I noticed about Puma is the boxes are small. But damn, the box is pretty fire though. Yo. Nah, these is hard though. You guys can see. This is what the box looks like. Yeah. That's fire though. That really is fire. It says on the top, not from here. Whatever that means, LaMelo. I don't know if y'all can see that. But, oh, that's heat.
Damn! Fucking right? Damn! These are what they look like, y'all. Slime green, Nickelodeon edition, LaMelo ball. Damn, these shit is hard though.
You got the little wings on the back. Damn, that's hard. I really like the look, y'all. Like the front of these look heat. The little slimes, you know what I'm saying? The little drops. That's hard. I fuck with. Yeah, that's hard. That's really hard. Let's take them out the box though. It came with the little sticker goat. So you know we certified. We certified. Put the box away though. Let's take a look at these shoes real quick though. Get a good view of them. Let me grab the camera real quick. Yeah. Yeah, these is hard, man. These shits is it right here. I'm gonna take these to play ball too. So you got the soles with the wing. Yeah, focus on that. Dang. I'ma just fast forward this because, you know, who wants to see me putting on my shoes? Like, who wants to see that? You know what I mean? So, I'm going to just fast forward this. You guys can enjoy a little instrumental in the background while you guys see me put on these shoes for the first time. Let's get it. This is it on the feet though. They feel honestly very comfortable. I feel the pressure right here on the top right here. I feel a little pressure like coming from that. Not because it's tight, but more like that's how the shoe is made. Shit is tough. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We on the road to 50K, soon to 100K. I hope you guys like the review, and I do recommend y'all to cop these. They're actually very comfortable, and I'm still wearing them right now.